Welcome back to Dragoony's Bites. Today, we're making something that looks like it came from a fancy cafe, but is honestly super easy to make. We're talking strawberry vanilla puff cups, flaky pastry, creamy filling, fresh fruit. Basically, a hug in a dessert form. Busy parents, tired humans, dessert daydreamers, this one's for you. Right, let's get started. Grab one of your muffin tins, and here's the fun twist. Turn it upside down so the cups are facing upwards. Now, generously butter the outsides. We want to make sure they're well greased so our puff pastry doesn't stick later. Take your puff pastry sheet and cut it into even squares. You can eyeball it or get precise. Both work. But the more even your squares, the neater your final cups will look. Use a fork to poke each square a few times. This helps steam escape during baking and keeps things nice and even. Now drape each pastry square over the muffin cups and gently press them around the shape, all the way down. Once they're all in place, poke a few holes on the top again. It helps the bake stay consistent. This is a good moment to preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius. While that warms up, lightly brush the pastry with beaten egg. This is what gives us that lovely golden finish. Once your oven's ready, pop them on the middle rack and bake for about 10 minutes. But keep an eye on them. As soon as they turn a lovely golden brown, it's time to take them out. While the cups bake, let's prepare the strawberries. Give them a rinse, remove the green leaves, and slice them up. Of course, you can use any fruit you love. I'm using strawberries because they're in season, and they pair beautifully with vanilla. Plus, I just really like strawberries. No deeper reason. When the pastry cups are done, take them out of the oven. While they're still warm, carefully lift them off the muffin tin. If a few are sticking together, use a small knife to gently separate them. Then flip them over so they're cupped side up and let them cool on wooden board or wire rack. As they cool, let's make the vanilla pudding. I'm using a store-bought mix for this one. We're going for quick and easy today. But if you'd like a homemade pudding recipe sometime, let me know in the comments. For now, just follow the package instructions. Usually, you'll mix the powder with a few tablespoons of milk, while the rest heats on the stove. Once the milk reaches boil, reduce the heat, pour in your pudding mixture, and cook for about 2 more minutes, stirring constantly, of course. Once your pudding's ready, it's time to assemble. Spoon about 2 tablespoons of pudding into each puff pastry cup. Then top with your sliced strawberries or any fruit combo that sparks joy. Decorate however you like, get creative. Then chill the cups in the fridge for 2 to 4 hours, just so the pudding sets nicely. Right before serving, dust them with powdered sugar, or if you're feeling indulgent, top with a swirl of whipped cream. And now, time to eat! The pastry is flaky, the pudding is smooth, and the strawberries are juicy with a hint of tartness. Together, absolute bliss. I hope they make you smile as much as they made me. Thank you for hanging out with me in the kitchen today. If you try this recipe, let me know how it went in the comments. Or just pop in and say hi. Tell me how your day's been. Like and subscribe for more delicious bites from my kitchen. And until next time, bye bye!